Hey Android users, is Facebook sucking your battery dry in 2025? That 15% per hour drain isn't normal. Let me show you 5 quick fixes to stop it right now. First, update everything. Open the Play Store, tap your profile, and update Facebook. Then, head to Settings, System Update to grab the latest Android patch. Old software equals battery leaks. Facebook loves lurking in the background. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Battery, set to restricted. This slams the door on sneaky background drains. Silent killer alert, autoplay videos. Open Facebook, tap the menu, go to Settings, Media, Autoplay, and set it to never. No more videos burning your battery. Time to nuke Facebook's junk? Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, Clear Cache. If it's still bad, tap Clear Data, but you'll have to log back in. Still draining? Ditch the app. Install Facebook Lite. It's lighter and way gentler on your battery. Or just use Chrome and visit Facebook. Your phone will thank you. And that's how you save your Android from Facebook's battery apocalypse. Comment fixed if this worked or tell me which app I should nuke next. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next fix.